everyone, so we have come for a very special reason, and we are very excited. We are going to shop for some time, some things, and we will tell at home what is happening, or maybe we will just show you when it happens. So bye. It's time to fill our stomachs because we got hungry after all that shopping. We haven't done much, but still excited to show you. Pet puja. After coming back, I decided that I will go to the parlor to thread my eyebrows so that it looks more cleaner. Hi everyone, we came back from City Center 2 and we have done our shopping. So I will show you the things, but before that I think I should tell you why we are doing this. Well, recently we planned to go to Goa for our vacation, for our summer vacation, and this is going to be really crazy. I'm going with my crazy family members, so of course it has to be. So I will now show you what we bought in the last minute shopping, because I had my classes, I had to go every day, so I could not make time. But today, because we are boarding the plane tomorrow, I thought today is the day that I have to do some last minute things. So I bought these stuff that I thought I needed immediately. One of them is this belt. It is of $3.99. The size is S. S in belt means 30 to 34. So that is my waist range, and this is the texture of it. And I think it's nice, it will look great on my outfits. Then I bought this nail paint from Color Bar because I thought we are going Goa for the first time and I love beaches. So I wanted to do something new with my nails. I will paint them with something interesting, something related to beach. So this is the color that I felt like it was giving beach vibes, so I got it for me and my sister. We are going to paint tonight. We are going to do everything last minute. And then we got these tops from Max again. This has a little cut out which looks very which actually gives it some spice. Otherwise it's just a plain top. So this blue one is for her and this maroon one is for me because I love maroon, reds and all these colors. Mine is in M size, hers is in extra small. Yeah. So yeah, so we got these. And then what else did we get? Yes, we got 2 tank tops as well. This is hers and this one is for me, this blue one, and we have not yet decided how we are going to pair it, but when we do, of course, we are going to post the pictures as well as show you through the videos, so you will know how we styled all our outfits. And I'm really excited. Now it is time for us to pack. This is the worst part. I hate packing. We used so much of our brain into thinking what we should take with us and what we should just cancel out, that now I'm really exhausted, but this has to be done, otherwise we won't be able to go. And right now I have used that body slush from Glamorous, and I have to say that this product have been working really nicely. Now we are going to pack and I will show you step by step what we are taking. Long skirt that she is carrying. This is a tank top. We are carrying only one night suit because we did not want to pack too much. This is for one of the fancy dinner that we are planning to have. Hope we will be able to have that. And this is our tube top. This is for the day when we might get into the water if we get a chance. And this is also for the same purpose. And we are done. This is Saina's side. Now we will do my side. So this is a cover up for the day when I will be in the water. This tank top is for the same, and this is the top that I bought today. This is my night suit. But before that, I'm going to pack this tank top and this, again, a shrug. This is an outfit that I will show you on the day I wear it. I don't know, I'm just experimenting with my outfits, I guess. I have no idea how it will look. And there goes my night suit. And this is for a fancy dinner with the family. And this is a towel that we are going to carry. We are both, this is a small towel. There will be another one. I will show that to you later. So this is a laundry pouch that I bought as a set when I was in college, and I think it had 4 or 5 pieces. So this one I'm using to keep our underwears, and this is a pouch that I will always be carrying with myself. In here I have my scrunchie, this pack, tripod, my lip balm, sunglass. This is for headache, Amratanjan roll-on. This is for my toothache. This is a gum because I'm scared of flights, and this is some extra money that I carry. So this is all that I will be having in here. Also, I will add sunscreen when I reach there. And then I'm carrying this belly baha pouch. This is purple punch, and this have this is a hair spa kit. Then there is a concealer for makeup, mascara, kajal, powder. This is eyeshadow palette, eyebrow pencil. Then we have here toner, sunscreen, lipstick, cheek tint, foundation, serum, this brush, foam, this is lip mask, and this is that primer. So that is all that was here. Well, that was quite a lot. So that is how big the storage space is. If you want a pouch similar like this, then make sure you visit Belly Baha and purchase one. And this is the bag that I will be carrying when I reach there. So I'm also packing this up over